Welcome to the BEEVisio training. Can you open catalogs here, and I can drag in the text block, materials in construction, for example. It opens up. I can zoom in, I'll open the details. There's now a very simple text block listing the components: pipes, joints, roller tracks, lateral guides, wheels, and feet. I'll go with the click. With a mouse click, I can open the editor and type over the standard text block, the pipes in. I'm putting the joints in. These are BK, they're black joints. I've got a roller tracks, GP 4036 BK black rollers. I've got a lateral guide, an ARG 4030 BL on it. I've got wheels EVGP, diameter 100 millimeters. Load capacity 150 kilograms per wheel. We don't have any in the feet section. If I go back out, you can see that the start and formatting are correct again. In the next few steps, I'd like to show you how to fill in the drawing sheet and drawing header. To do this, I'll close the window. Fields are defined here, but I can't enter anything in them myself. I'll then go via a lookup table, either via the menus, files, properties, document, or I can go directly via the quick access toolbar, where it's also located at the top, and click on the properties document command. This opens the properties document pane for me. I then go to the second tab, attributes. These are defined values, which we have entered. I'll start with description, that's this field. I can now enter a value here. I'll type in the same thing. Display shelving, drive-in shelving, change. I have to confirm all the entries I've made by pressing enter. If I just press enter, the value won't be saved. So, important, I'll enter the date. I can enter names. Ideally, just enter an abbreviation rather than the full name. You can do the same for the date, but it's not essential. If it's the same person, you can also leave it blank. We'll then move on to maximum lead-in, track load. We have 2 tracks per load. I'll just define it for now by saying that I can apply a load of at least 50 kilograms per track. If I had a return track here, I could actually enter the same figure. But I don't have a return track, only forward tracks. I'll enter the maximum bay load then. As I have 2 tracks, I can now enter 100 kilograms. And the maximum load capacity for 3 compartments is therefore 300 kilograms. Change. Further down, there's another section for revisions and changes with dates. That means I can now enter A0 here, or rather, changes. That's this field. That's the A0 field. That's the A1 field and the A2 field, and so on for B0, B1, and B2. That means I can enter changes here and, well, the revision. At the moment we haven't made any changes yet, so I don't need to enter that just yet. The advantage of having these references to a table here is that if we now save several pages, then the entry will always be visible automatically on all drawing sheets. If I had to enter it directly for each drawing sheet, it wouldn't appear on the second and third drawing sheets. I'd then have to enter it manually again. Thank you for watching and see you in the next BEEVisio training session.